We know that jackfruit is the largest tree fruit in the world and it is replete with powerful nutrients. But what's surprising is the fact that the seeds of the fruit possess benefits too. They boost your energy and keep your eyes healthy, and they do good to you in several other ways. We, Mom and Me Bombs, presents you an entirely rare and unique product from jackfruit seeds. Simple ingredients come together to create a chewy homemade energy bar that is better and healthier than any store-bought bar in the market. Here are the ingredients we used. Sugar 500 gram, 200 gram of white and dark compound, 100 gram unsalted butter, 500 gram grated coconut and 500 gram powdered jackfruit seeds. Into a hot pan, add sugar and the grated coconut. Keep stirring occasionally and let it become hot. Though the procedure to make this is a bit difficult, its outcome is amazing. Please keep watching. After the sugar melts, check if a thin thread forms with your thumb. Be careful because it will be hot. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Into that, add 100 grams of unsalted butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add our main ingredient, that is the powdered fried jackfruit seeds. For knowing how to make this fried jackfruit seeds, please check the link given in the description box. Then into that add little milk. Milk is optional. Once it becomes brown, transfer this to a pan which is lined with butter paper, as you can see here, and then by using a spatula, level it. Eating is necessity, but cooking is an art. Watch the way we turn this into something amazing. Once you're sure it's leveled properly, cover it up, and it has to be refrigerated for at least 30 minutes. After half an hour, it will be hard like this. Take it out from the pan and we have to cut it into small pieces. That should be done carefully. As you can see here, we are trying to turn it into small chocolate bars. Keep watching. This will come to around 50 to 60 pieces. To avoid these pieces from getting broken, we have to keep it in the fridge for about 15 minutes and it will come out like this. After melting the chocolate compound like this, using double boiling system or using a microwave, we have to dip each piece into this and spread it on a tray where you have placed a butter paper. For knowing how to melt chocolate, click on the link given below in the description box. We use the butter paper to prevent this bar from sticking on the plate. Do this procedure for all the pieces. If you feel that the melted chocolate is getting hard, once again melt it in the microwave. After 10 minutes or so, melt the white compound as you can see here, and into one bowl add little red food color. Using the white compound, make designs using a spoon as you can see here. Though it makes the whole place messy, it looks really attractive. After this white portion gets hard, now take the red melted chocolate and do the procedure again. Normally this chocolate will get hardened in room temperature. Now for making another color, you can use the green food color. Make sure it has become hard before turning it. Do the entire procedure again. If you find that the compound gets hard, just melt it again. You can use any color of your choice. Just use 1 or 2 drops of food color for that. See, our jackfruit fried Snickers are ready. As you see here, it is really tempting and tasty. We have got no words to express its taste. You will never forget once you taste it. An amazing sweet energy bar which you can provide for all age groups. For knowing the amazing benefits of jackfruit seeds, check out the link given below and you will try it. Please do drop in your comments or suggestions, and if you liked our video, please do press the like button and share this with your friends and family. Do support us by subscribing to our channel and click on the all notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thank you.